Imagine stumbling upon a classic car, hidden away in a barn for decades, its beauty obscured by rust and neglect. But beneath that layer of grime lies a story waiting to be told. Today, we're diving into the world of vintage car restoration, focusing on specific models that present unique challenges for even the most seasoned restorers. From sourcing rare parts to overcoming engineering quirks, these cars push the limits of what's possible. Stick around as we unveil the secrets behind restoring these automotive legends. You won't want to miss this thrilling journey. 1. The 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. First up is the iconic 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. While it's beloved by enthusiasts, restoring one can be a daunting task. The challenge? Finding original parts that match the car's unique specifications. Many owners opt for aftermarket replacements, but purists know that authenticity is key. The hunt for genuine parts can turn into an epic quest. 2. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Next on our list is the stunning 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Known for its striking design, this classic often suffers from rust in hard-to-reach areas, like the floor pans and trunk. Restorers must be meticulous in their approach, often fabricating replacement panels from scratch to maintain structural integrity while preserving the car's aesthetic charm. 3. The Jaguar E-Type. The Jaguar E-Type is often hailed as one of the most beautiful cars ever made, but its restoration can be a nightmare. The intricate electrical systems and unique bodywork require specialized knowledge and skills. Finding a restorer who understands these complexities is crucial. One wrong move could lead to costly mistakes. 4. The Volkswagen Type 2. Bus R, the beloved Volkswagen Type 2 bus, a symbol of freedom and adventure. However, restoring these buses can be challenging due to their age and extensive use. Many have been modified over the years, making it difficult to return them to their original glory. Restorers often face the challenge of reversing modifications while sourcing rare parts that fit perfectly. 5. The Porsche 911 Classic Models. The classic Porsche 911 is revered for its performance and design, but restoring one isn't for the faint-hearted. The air-cooled engines require precise tuning and specialized tools that can be hard to come by. Additionally, maintaining the original paint color can be tricky, as many owners opt for custom finishes that stray from factory specifications. 6. The Aston Martin DB5. Next up is the legendary Aston Martin DB5, famously known as James Bond's car. While it's a dream for many collectors, restoring a DB5 involves navigating complex mechanical systems and sourcing rare parts that are often no longer manufactured. The cost can skyrocket quickly, making this restoration a true labor of love. 7. The 1969 Dodge Charger. The 1969 Dodge Charger is an American muscle car icon, but its restoration presents unique challenges due to its powerful engine options and heavy bodywork. Finding original components like the grille or taillights can be difficult, and restorers must ensure they meet safety standards while maintaining that classic muscle car feel. 8. The Ferrari 250 GTO. Finally, we arrive at the holy grail of vintage cars, the Ferrari 250 GTO. With only 39 units ever produced, restoring one is not only a monumental task, but also an expensive endeavor. The rarity means that every detail must be perfect. Even minor discrepancies can affect its value significantly. Restorers face immense pressure to deliver nothing short of perfection. And there you have it. These vintage cars present unique challenges that test even the most skilled restorers, each with its own story waiting to be uncovered. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of vintage car restoration challenges, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more captivating content. What vintage car would you love to restore? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, each like helps us continue bringing you amazing stories from automotive history. Stay tuned for our next adventure.